Welcome to this video on Surah Luqman, focusing on wisdom, revelation, and the path of Tawheed. Our insights are derived from Tafhim al-Quran. The surah is named Luqman due to the pivotal wisdom contained in the second section, or ruku. A key insight is that Allah immortalized the specific advice Luqman gave his son, a timeless legacy of guidance. Surah Luqman was revealed during the Meccan period, a time when the machinery of persecution against the Islamic mission was beginning to turn. The storm of opposition had commenced, marking the start of a difficult struggle. Verses 14 and 15 address the internal conflict faced by new converts. Young men and women were accepting Islam, facing intense emotional and familial pressure to return to the religion of polytheism, or shirk. This pressure was largely psychological, not yet physical torture. The revelation balances conflicting rights. The rights of parents are paramount, after Allah's. However, if parents compel one to commit shirk, one must respectfully disobey. Even in this disobedience, kindness and respect must be maintained in worldly life. By comparing the tone of Surah Al-Luqman with Surah Al-Ankabut, we see Luqman was revealed first. Luqman reflects rising pressure, while Al-Ankabut deals with severe physical persecution and torture, suggesting Luqman precedes the heavier trials. The core argument of the surah is twofold: to expose the irrationality of shirk and validate the truth and rationality of Tawheed. It invites the audience to abandon blind imitation and engage their intellect to recognize the truth presented by Prophet Muhammad SAW. The text challenges the reader to open their eyes to the signs in the universe. From the cosmos to the intricate depths of one's own self, or nafs, every atom bears witness to the reality of the one Creator. The surah emphasizes that this message is not new. Throughout history, those with true knowledge, intellect, and wisdom have always echoed the same truths voiced by Prophet Muhammad ﷺ. The message of Tawheed is the timeless standard of wisdom. Luqman was a household name in Arabia, and his wisdom, or hikmah, was accepted as the ultimate standard. His proverbs were quoted, and his stories were told to children, establishing him as a cultural witness. The Quran uses this accepted wisdom as a mirror of truth, asking a piercing question. If you revere Luqman for his wisdom, why do you ignore his theology? Do you know what he actually taught? Luqman taught Tawheed, the oneness of Allah, and high moral character, not polytheism or blind tradition. Therefore, the wisdom of the ancients aligns with the present revelation. To follow Luqman truly is to follow the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ. Surah Luqman is a gentle yet powerful dismantling of shirk. It validates the early Muslim struggle and uses Luqman's universally respected wisdom to prove that the path of Allah is the only path of true intellect. True wisdom is the recognition of the Creator. Indeed, in this are signs for everyone patient and grateful. This concludes our introduction to Surah Luqman.